I'm so excited to be here with you today. It's really a dream come true. Let me share a story why I'm here with you today. Last year, I was living with my roommate named Jerry. He used to drive an Uber for a living. He lived paycheck to paycheck just like 51% American lives today. One day, I got a phone call from Jerry and he asked me to pick him up from certain address. I drove there and I saw this. He had a car accident. The airbags were deployed. The car was damaged. He spent few weeks in a hospital and after a couple of weeks of bed rest, he was able to recover fully. The bad news is that his car was totally damaged. He lost his income. Just like most renters, the rent is the biggest expenses on our balance sheet. With limited savings and additional hospital bills, he wasn't able to pay his rent on the due date. Paying rent after a due date means you have to have late fees that occurred on daily basis. So what were the options for Jerry at that time? He could have got the bank loan, he could have borrowed money from friends and family, or he could have paid the rent with credit card. Although Jerry had few options, all those options were not either budget friendly or they were not easily accessible. If Jerry pays by credit card, the average interest rate in USA is 20%. If he borrow money from friends and family, there is a risk of ruining his relationship. Also, there is no guarantee that he will get help immediately. Wouldn't it be better if the landlord can provide some kind of assistance to Jerry rather than him going through all these hustles just to borrow the money? Is there any simple and quick solution that exists in the market today? It wasn't until now. Let me introduce GameNow. Rent now, pay later. A revolutionary product that allows renters to pay a flexible rent payment on their own terms. After a recovery, Jerry was able to drive again and he has steady income. The problem? He was behind 1 month's rate of $900. With GameNow, he could have paid $300 each in every next 3 months. Even though the car accident was an unfortunate event for Jerry. But the empathy towards him inspired me to understand the struggle. It led me to the innovative product, GameNow. Reinventing the rent financing was not so easy. You have to work with the banks, the landlords, the property owners, property managers, and renters. With the convenience and flexibility as our guiding indicators, we were able to make GameNow as simple as using TikTok. Just like people don't need to be trained on how to use TikTok, or neither they have prior knowledge before using TikTok. So how GameNow works? Step 1, download our app or go to our website and fill in your personal details so we know who you are and which property you are living on. Step 2, you will select the rent amount that you need to borrow from us and you will select the payment terms that you want to pay us back, 3 months or 6 months. Step 3, congratulations. One-time virtual credit card will pop up in your mobile app. Now you can use that virtual credit card to pay rent through the residential portal for your community. This card is very similar to Apple Pay. Step 4, pay GameNow back as per your previously chosen payment terms. In USA, average 20% of renters are behind on rent every month. GameNow is a game-changing product not only for renters but also for property managers and for property owners. The renters can borrow the money with the lowest interest rate within the industry. Say bye-bye to late fees, application fees, or any hidden charges. Renters get to pay back on their own terms. GameNow is safe, secure, quick, and easy. All process takes less than 2 minutes. For property managers, now you don't have to send repeated notices to the renters who are behind on rent. You don't have to knock on their doors to collect the rents. With integration of this product, property managers can retain and attract more renters. Little to no training required with the integration of this product. No system changes required. For property owners, get rent collected on time. Reduce the risk of bad debt. With GameNow, not only you can maintain the cash flow, but also this presents an unique opportunity for you to show an empathy towards the renters who are having financial hard time in their lives. GameNow didn't exist when Jerry needed financial help. But now with GameNow, many people like Jerry can get financial help as they needed on a few click of a buttons. Innovation happens very rarely in our real estate industry. But every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. Flexible rent payment is a rare innovation that our real industry needs at this hour, especially after COVID-19 pandemic era. I'm fortunate to be part of this movement. If you are a renter, ask your property managers about flexible rent payments. If you are a property management operator, let GameNow help you to help your residents. Join me as we explore how GameNow can positively impact our industry and residents' lives. Thank you.